fellow champions, welcome to another exciting class, and we shall be learning another interesting topic, which is benefits of using gears. Benefits of using gears. First, gears are like a pulley, but it has teeth around the wheel and is used to change the direction of a motion. Gear is a wheel with teeth around the wheel that helps to move or change direction of motion. Like a pulley, the gear also gives mechanical advantage, which means it's able to do more work with less force. And this mechanical advantage can be calculated by dividing the output force by the input force. And remember that the output is known as the driven gear, while the input is the driving gear. And so it can easily be calculated by counting the number of tooth of each gear and dividing them. So, for example, as shown on the screen, the teeth of the driving gear is 60, while that of the driven gear is 40, and on dividing it gives the mechanical advantage of 1.5. When you have two gears and the driving gear is smaller than the driven gear, then that gear train is to increase force. But when the driving gear is bigger than the driven gear, then it is needed to increase speed. So a gear system with the driving gear bigger increases speed. But when they are both equal, it means the gear train or the gear system is needed to change the direction of force. So these are the different benefits of using gears. So some real-life application of gears are washing machine. As you can see on the screen, it requires the use of gears. As found in cars or trucks, and as well as found in electric screwdrivers. The electric screwdriver is able to function through the help of gears that helps to create the rotation. Another application of gears is the guitar. This enables the string to be able to play, and as you can see on the screen, the gears are what helps the guitars to function. The conveyor belt is another example that makes use of gears. These conveyor belts are usually found in industries or factories and helps to move products from one step to another. And this is made through a combination of different gears. And remember that these gears work in opposite direction. Next is a clock or a wristwatch. The minute hand, the second hand, and the hour hand are able to work with the help of gears.
You might be wondering, how does this actually tell time? It all starts with the pendulum, which is tuned to swing back and forth every second. When you look at the escapement wheel, every full swing of the pendulum advances the escapement wheel by 1 tooth. That means 1 tooth per second. The escapement wheel has 30 teeth, so to count, this big gear has 30 teeth. So that means that for every 2 rotations of the escapement wheel, this gear rotates once. This is our second hand. For the minute hand, we have to add these 2 gears, which have a total gear ratio of, you guessed it, 60 to 1. That means the second hand has to make 64 revolutions, or 60 minutes, for 1 full revolution of the minute hand, which is an hour. For now, we're going to power this clock by wrapping the weight around the spool on the minutes hand. Every single wrap will give us another hour of runtime. We release the pendulum, and boom, we're keeping time. I'm still working on the 12-to-1 gear ratio for the hour hand and adding another gear to make it run for longer. Stay tuned.